Hey, how you doing today? Welcome back. Today I got a 2021 Mazda CX-9 and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to remove the hood of this vehicle. Alright, first thing you want to do is come identify the bolts that you have here. These are a 12mm bolt. So there's two over here and then there's two on the other side. Before you take off the hood of this vehicle, just make sure you get somebody to help you remove it because you don't want the hood to slide and crack the windshield. Boom, there you have it. That's the old hood, and this is the new hood. Got the gaps looking good. Now she's ready to paint. Well, there you have it, people. The 2021 Mazda CX-9 hood removal and install. If you have any more questions or concerns, just go ahead and write me in the comment section. I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. You have a good day now. Thank you for watching.